yeah.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Danelle, aka Missy B. And welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, welcome to my channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, shiz. So today's video, I just created this, fall glam. It is actually raining outside right now in Cape Town. Guys, but I decided to film this makeup look. I have burgundy shades. I'm serving highlights. I'm serving baby hairs. Looking dear server. I'm dishing. But anyway, this is the makeup look that I created for you guys. It's very quick, easy, and I'm only using drugstore products. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give it a thumbs up right now. Do it right now so that you don't forget. Do it right now. Oh my God. And then also subscribe. You can do that right now as well. Anyway, let's get right into the video.
Okay guys, so let's start off this makeup look. I'm going to be starting off with my primer. It is the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Erasing Primer. I love this primer, guys. It literally makes my skin feel like like it be making me feel like Miss Poreless baby. But yeah, I'm going to be applying it onto my T-zone and I'm going to blend it in with my hands. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. You guys can purchase this at Clicks. It is amazing. So I'm going to be taking an orange shade, applying that onto my crease as a transition shade. And I'm going to keep on applying that shade because we're literally going to be using only 2 eyeshadows today. So we really want to make them pop. So be sure to blend, 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 apply, 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 and blend, 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 darling. And then I'm going to be taking a darker shade, almost like a burgundy shade. And I'm putting that onto my crease and blending it in with my Deluxe Crease Brush by Real Techniques. So after that, I'm going to be taking the same shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. As you can see, guys, the transition, it's so simple, so easy. Must effortlessly be making things so effortless or whatever. So I'm just applying that onto my eyelid and blending it out. So now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. So I'm going to be applying it like, them Instagram girls. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow my Instagram girl. So I'm basically going to be applying that onto my face and blending it in with the beauty blender. And honestly, this foundation looks so seamless on the face and it looks like skin. I'm going to be posting a or maybe I have posted it, I'm not sure, but I have a foundation review on this foundation, and guys, it's amazing. If you haven't tried it out, be sure to do it. For concealer and to highlight my face, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. High key recommend this concealer, guys. It's so good. So I'm going to be highlighting underneath my eyes. I'm going to be applying it on the bridge of my nose, the middle of my forehead to make it pop, and also my chin as well. And then I'm going to be blending it out with a beauty blender. And guys, I'm going to be contouring with a LA Girl Pro Foundation in the shade Coffee, but I literally lost the clip of the foundation, but I'm applying that on all the places where I usually contour, like the bridge of my nose. Oh, no, not the bridge of my nose. Like what's this thing called? My cheekbones, forehead, nose. You guys know the drill by now. Look at me making mistakes, guys.
Yeah.
So to set my concealer, I'm going to be taking my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, on basically on all the spots that I applied the concealer, but except instead of baking and stuff like that, I'm going to blend in the powder into my face. Like that just makes my whole base makeup look like skin. Guys, wow. I like, if you haven't tried this technique, I definitely think you should try it. Do you see this? It looks like skin. Like, how can you not see this? How can you not? So anyway, to contour my face, I'm going to be using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm going to apply it onto my cheekbones. You know, we're going to make this round fat face, you know, have a little more structure. And then I'm also going to apply it onto my forehead as well. And, you know, contouring is a vibe because we start looking like Kim Kardashian. And then I'm going to highlight with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kits, and I'm gonna apply that onto the tops of my cheekbones. You gotta get that glow, girl. You gotta blind them haters and, you know, people that dislike your videos, but it's whatever. So yeah, I love me some highlight. Go ham with that highlight, boo thing. So to set my face, I'm gonna be taking my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix setting spray. Guys, this setting spray is so good. It makes my skin look like skin, basically. Like no cake face here, guys. And then after that, I'm taking my Wet n Wild lipstick, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lips, obviously. And I just love this shade, and I feel like it goes so nicely with the eyeshadow look. And guys, that's pretty much it. Like, I think we did that, boo. We did that. I chung si Angela into guys. Si Sebenzila, banton na ba Sebenzila man?
My niggas be on some shit. Nigga just passed the J. It's the freaking weekend, kill 'em off.
So guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the dish I was serving. You know, I tried. I mean, I did that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below letting me know what you guys think of this makeup look, what you guys think about drugstore products, and also like I want to incorporate like a question of the day in my videos. What can I? Can you comment down below any South African YouTubers, or if you're a South African YouTuber, please be sure to comment down below your channel so I can go check it out, because I want to support more South African content creators. Comment that down below, or if you know any good South African YouTubers, be sure to comment that down below as well. And yeah, that's pretty much all for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Remember, at all times that are matter, people say, I do. You are effortlessly beautiful, baby. I'ma see you in my next video.